This tutorial will go over how to add a video as far as a learning material in Canvas. Starting on my home page for my test course, what I'm going to want to do is add a YouTube video as part of my module. So with week 1, I'm going to go to my week 1 page and click to edit. So once I'm here, there's a couple of icons at the top. If you hover over the one that looks like a play button, you see insert or edit media. So once you've typed in what to include for the page, if you needed to do a video, you can either go to the source to put the dimensions, or you can go to the embed code. So I've already in another tab went to YouTube and I have the video that I would like to include. So what I've done is gone to share and gotten that embed code. So I'm going to copy the embed code, go back to my course, and just paste. So as I had mentioned, you can put what you need to put for this page at the top, and then you have your video. In order for your students to get the closed captioning icon, once they do select the video, there is an icon on the bottom right hand corner for closed captioning. Once you've completed everything, you can save and publish. And as you can see, it is published.